Ever felt puzzled about whether a younger woman is showing you the green light? In this video, we're zeroing in on those go signals that you might be overlooking. These signs aren't always loud and clear. They could be tucked away in her gestures, the tone of her conversation, or the way she engages with you. By the end of our time today, you'll be equipped to spot these indicators, sharpening your understanding of her interest. Don't skip our bonus tip at the end of the video. It's an essential piece of advice for accurately interpreting these signals, refining your perception and interactions. 1. Direct communication. When a younger woman strikes up a conversation with you, pay attention to how she communicates. It's not just small talk. If she's asking about your past adventures or diving into your interests, that's your cue. She's not just being polite, she's showing a keen interest in who you are. This kind of direct communication is a clear signal. She wants to know more about your life, your thoughts, and your experiences. It's not every day that someone genuinely wants to delve into your world. So, when she inquires about that old guitar collecting dust in the corner, or your favorite travel destination, take note. These aren't random questions. She's piecing together your story, showing that she values your past and, potentially, sees a place in her future. It's a straightforward yet significant sign of interest. And here's the kicker. When she remembers those details you mentioned offhand in your next chat, that's not just good memory at play. It's a sign she's invested in the conversation and, more importantly, in you. So, next time you find yourself in a chat where the focus is on your life and your stories, recognize it for what it is. A green light that she's genuinely interested in getting to know you better. 2. Body language. Body language speaks volumes. And when a younger woman is interested, her nonverbal cues can be quite telling. Take eye contact, for instance. If she's holding your gaze a tad longer than what's considered casual, that's a signal. It's her way of connecting without saying a word, showing she's focused on you and what you're saying. Then there's mirroring, when she subtly copies your movements or posture. It's a natural, often unconscious action that says, "We're in sync." If you lean in and she does the same, it's like a silent dance that indicates harmony and interest. And let's not overlook proximity. If she's finding reasons to close the distance between you, take it as a sign. Maybe she leans in to share a laugh or brushes past you a bit closer than necessary. These are her ways of breaking down barriers and establishing a closer connection. So when you're in her company, be mindful of these nonverbal hints. The way she looks at you, mirrors your actions, or reduces the space between you can reveal more than words might convey. These subtle body language cues are powerful indicators of attraction, offering clear signs of her interest without her having to utter a single word. 3. Seeking shared interests. When a younger woman takes a genuine interest in your hobbies or passions, it's more than just being polite. It's a clear indicator she's seeking a deeper bond. If she's eager to learn about your favorite music genre or joins you in activities you love, she's not just passing time, she's investing in shared experiences, a solid foundation for any relationship. Notice when she asks about your interests or suggests doing something you've mentioned you enjoy. This isn't just small talk. It's her way of finding common ground, a sign she values your happiness and wants to be part of it. When she remembers that you love jazz and suggests checking out a live show, or when she's keen to join you on a morning hike, even if she's never been an early riser, it's significant. These shared activities aren't just about having fun. They're her way of weaving her life with yours, creating shared memories and experiences. It's a sign she's not only interested in who you are, but also in building something together, exploring common interests to foster a deeper connection. So, if she lights up at the mention of something you love or suggests an activity you're passionate about, recognize it for what it is. A clear sign she's interested in, not just the here and now, but potentially in a shared future. I hope this video is resonating with you. If it is, why not show a little support? A simple like, dropping a comment, or hitting subscribe goes a long way. 4. Social media engagement. In today's digital age, social media is a significant barometer of interest. And when a younger woman frequently interacts with your posts, it's a signal worth noting. If she's consistently liking, commenting on, or sharing your content, it's not just casual scrolling. She's paying attention to your online presence. Think about it. When she takes the time to comment on your photos or posts, it's a way of entering your digital space, showing that she values what you share with the world. Those likes aren't just taps on a screen. They're acknowledgments of your experiences and expressions. And if she's sharing your content, that's another level of engagement. It's like she's saying, "I relate to this, and I want others to see it too." This act of sharing is a form of endorsement and connection, showing she aligns with your thoughts or sense of humor. Moreover, Notice if she engages with your content soon after you post it. This could indicate she's keeping an eye on your activities, eager to see what you're up to. Such timely interactions suggest she's not just stumbling upon your posts, she's actively looking out for them. So next time you notice a consistent pattern of likes, comments, and shares from her, recognize these actions for what they are: digital signs of her interest and perhaps an invitation to engage more deeply, both online and offline. 5. Planning and initiative. When a younger woman starts taking the helm to plan outings or activities, it's a pretty clear indicator she values your company. This initiative isn't just about filling up her calendar, it's about creating opportunities to spend time with you. If she's suggesting a visit to that new restaurant in town or proposing a weekend hike, she's actively seeking to build moments and memories with you. This proactive approach is her way of showing interest. It's one thing to agree to plans, but it's another to craft them. By designing these shared experiences, she's signaling that your presence enhances these events. It's a step beyond mere participation. It's about wanting to shape experiences that include you. Also, consider the thoughtfulness behind her planning. If she remembers you mentioning a love for Italian food and then books a table at a new Italian spot, that's her paying attention to what you like. It's a subtle yet significant gesture showing she's tuned into your preferences and wants to cater to them. When she reaches out with a plan or an idea for something to do together, view it as a meaningful gesture. It's not just about the activity itself, it's about her choosing to invest her time and effort into experiences that involve you, a clear testament to her interest and value she sees in your connection. 6. Consistency in communication. When she's reaching out with regular texts or calls, it's not just about passing time, it's about maintaining a thread of connection, ensuring you're a constant presence in each other's lives. Think about it. In a world where everyone's busy, taking the time to send a message or make a call means she's prioritizing this budding relationship. It's her way of saying, "You're on my mind," even amidst her daily hustle. This kind of effort in staying connected is a clear indicator of her interest. And it's not just about the frequency of these communications, but also their nature. If she's sharing details about her day, asking about yours, or initiating conversations that go beyond surface-level chit-chat, she's investing in deepening the relationship. She's not just keeping in touch, she's fostering a meaningful dialogue, building a foundation for a stronger bond. So, when you notice that she's consistently making an effort to reach out, engage in conversations, and keep the lines of communication open, take it as a positive sign. It's her way of weaving you into the fabric of her day-to-day life, a clear indication that she values this connection and is interested in where it might lead. Bonus tip: notice the details. Here's a bonus tip that could be your secret weapon in understanding her interest. Pay attention to the details. When a younger woman recalls specifics from your past conversations, it's a clear signal she's not only listening but also valuing what you share. This level of attentiveness is a strong indicator of her interest in you and your life. It's not just about remembering your favorite coffee blend or the name of your childhood pet. When she brings up that minor detail you mentioned last week, or asks a follow-up question about a story you shared, it shows she's genuinely engaged in what you have to say. This attention to detail is her way of showing that she cares, that what matters to you matters to her too. Empathy and understanding are also key. If she's quick to offer support during a rough day or celebrates your successes, no matter how small, she's showing a level of empathy and connection that goes beyond mere acquaintance. It's about creating a shared emotional space, a sign she's invested in the relationship and in tune with your feelings. So, when you're conversing, take note if she mentions something you've only shared in passing. These aren't just casual remarks. They're indications of her attentiveness and interest, revealing a desire to know and connect with you on a deeper level. Now that you know how to tell when she's giving you the green light, what's next for you? Discover how to make a younger woman obsess over you, or learn the social skills that make her addicted. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.